Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, the time to get tax savings done is 2021. Don't get on the other side of 2021 and kick yourself when the Biden administration, with a nuance of a plethora, whatever you want to call it, of raising taxes from a multitude of different angles, whether it's capital gain taxes, whether it's federal taxes, how to pay for what is now soon to be $2 trillion of stimulus this year, with another $2 trillion that may be as much as $4 trillion. Wait till I'll teach you this coming Tuesday, what it takes to spend $1 trillion, folks. It'll blow your mind. And we're just running through these trillions like water. Add to the fact, right, that we've still got a pandemic we've got to get through with a number of people still out of work. And you've got an administration that's pushing a mandatory higher minimum wage that businesses couldn't afford in many parts of the country before the virus hit, let alone now after the virus hit when they have less cash flow. Add to the fact, folks, that there's more in these stimulus proposals that support non-U.S. citizens than you and I as U.S. citizens, and it's a head scratcher. And I've talked to so many of you that have never shared more concern, saying, you know, Chuck, I know there is a tax hell price to pay. I want to do everything in my power to keep the government out of my retirement or get Uncle Sam out of my income. And I want to teach you that you can do that. That you can become and learn how to become a tax-free retiree, like I talk about on Hidden Wealth Radio this weekend, or at least drastically reduce the unnecessary taxes you don't have to pay. I'll give you two quick examples. Number one, the state of Washington, one of the 9 no state income tax states. Whether you're part of Washington or not, it's irrelevant. This is what I'm wanting to teach you. The Biden tax bullseye is coming from all angles, and now even on a state level, not just a federal level, that he proposed a 9%, Governor Inslee proposed a 9% state capital gain tax. It got reduced to 7%. It was going to tax pretty much anybody that was selling a house, selling a stock, selling a business. But the point is, folks, they're coming with both guns blazing to find taxes. And I want to teach you, you can actually legally avoid those unnecessary taxes. Add to the fact that we had a client who is married to a long-time practicing CPA she shared with us. And she said, almost like she was whispering, I know he's not going to be happy about me making this phone call, but I have said to him, surely there are other things that we can be doing that we should be looking into so we can pay less tax on our retirement. And you know what? Her own husband, a practicing career CPA, said, everybody just has to pay the taxes. You're just going to waste your time. Folks, it's not wasting your time. Don't roll over like this gentleman who just gives up. That we have saved people anywhere from 6 to 12 to 18 to 24,000 a year or more by learning how to get tax savings done, and don't let it go outside of 2021. Folks, you worked hard for your money. Imagine 50 to 100% higher spendable income, not leaving a tax burden to your kids or your grandkids, avoiding these required minimum distributions, not having 85% of your Social Security tax, putting real dollars back into your pocket legally, ethically, and morally. Let me teach you. Go to retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. I'll teach you some of the strategies. They're very individualized, but at least the basics in the introduction so you can learn how to get tax savings done for yourself in 2021. Retirementprotected.com. Folks, you work hard for your money. Let's get to work. Retirementprotected.com. The time to get tax savings done is in 2021.